From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for March 23rd, 2018. Today we're going to take a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar, versus the Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. Looking here on the daily time frame, previous trend was bearish. Not too hard to see with the blue trend line here on the chart. But recent trend channel showing an upward bullish bias here for the dollar franc. You can see between the two black trend lines down here at the very bottom right-hand corner of the chart. So with that rising trend channel, we have two options here. We're either looking for resistance and reversal for return of the blue trend line and the downtrend, or we're looking for support and a return into the direction of the trend channel. So right now, we happen to be at the bottom of the trend channel, the bottom black trend line, and into the support zone, 94.60, 94.35, purple shaded area here on the chart. Let's go ahead and zoom it in a little bit here on the chart. And as you can see, the rising trend channel, and again, we're at the very bottom. This has been basically the pattern within this trend channel, where we see a rise from the bottom, a little bit of a fall, a rise from that support, another little bit of a fall, and another period here. So here we are again with that fall to the bottom of the trend channel in the purple shaded area. So the question again is, are we looking for support into the purple zone and a return to the rising trend channel, or will we look for the breakout underneath? And I don't think we've really had enough evidence to say it's going to break out. Sure, the past couple of days have been pretty bearish, as we saw interest rate news out of the U.S. on FOMC on Wednesday, causing the market to sell off on the U.S. dollar. Even though there was a raise of interest rates, the market sold off U.S. dollar. We know that there's future plans for raises of interest rates, and we've seen some pretty decent data out of the U.S. recently. So it is interesting that we've seen the dollar franc falling off as it is. With that, I think we're still looking for support within the channel to continue to pressure higher. We're looking for support at the purple shaded area, support at 94.60, and an opportunity to go higher. Just think about risk reward for a moment. You know, throw all that out the door and just think about risk reward when you're seeing a rising channel like this. The best opportunity is actually trading the direction of the channel into support to give you lower risk and higher potential reward. What's the reward? If you were to buy this and the channel continues to go higher, then potentially we're looking at this back towards the pink shaded area as the next resistance high, which is into 95.85, 9600. So if it finds support at the bottom, we may be looking for another rise towards the pink shaded area. So that's, I think, what we want to focus in on. We have lower risk. What's the risk here in this scenario? The risk is it breaks underneath that purple shaded area. So we know what the risk is. Pretty easy to figure that out. I'm just going to make that line red. We know what the risk is. We know the potential reward rising towards 9600. So it makes more sense to look for an opportunity to go long here rather than short. Going short, the risk reward is pretty limited. We have a high risk, and the potential reward is capped right now at the purple zone. We know it's support. It's already been support. We know it's already holding support. Let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. Now that we've seen all of that on the daily, not too hard to see. We are seeing some support here for the day today. We've seen already a bounce off of 94.60, 94.50. We've seen a bounce off of it and now pushing back higher again. It's my expectation today, as long as it stays within and above this purple zone, we're looking for the bounce heading back to the green zone at first. And of course, if it can get back above the green zone, we already know that target sits up there at 9600, the pink shade area. Risk and stop losses will be under the purple zone. That way, if the market changes its mind and starts going back down, we limit the potential impact to our trading account. So buying the purple zone, targeting higher levels within the trend channel is what we're looking for today on the USDCHF.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.